Welcome. In this video, I will show you what to do if you received a system UI isn't responding error on your Redmi Note 15 Pro smartphone. First of all, you're gonna have to go to the settings menu, then navigate down to the apps menu in here, open it, then you're gonna have to find your system launcher application on the list. Here it is. Then clear the data and cache for this application by tapping clear data and then selecting clear all data, confirm, and after that we're gonna have to restart the phone by holding down power button and volume up key at the same time and then swiping the circle down to reboot the smartphone. Wait until it is restarted, and after that the problem should be fixed. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.